Imagine unlocking the secrets of artificial intelligence, easily and with confidence. Welcome to AI Simplified by Tarun, your gateway to understanding powerful AI tools without the jargon or confusion. Here, advanced tech like ComfyUI, stable diffusion, and LLMs become simple, approachable, and even fun. You'll learn step by step how to use cutting-edge AI models, run them on your own computer, and bring future technology into your daily life. Our first full tutorial, how to create text-to-image AI art on your own PC, is on the way soon. To stay ahead, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a breakthrough moment. Ready to demystify AI and unlock your creative potential? Let's explore AI together, simplified. Subscribe now and watch for our next video, coming soon.